Hello, and here are the key features of the PMS275-300M-60 solar module series, manufactured by Guangdong Prostar New Technology. These highly efficient, up to 18.48% and durable with a lifespan of 25 years, monocrystalline solar panels range from 275 to 300 watt peaks at STC. 0+3 positive power tolerance guarantees the stability of your module's output. The modules are composed of the highest grade silicon. This gives them a competitive efficiency and reliability, as well as making them cost-effective in the long term. They are also space-saving due to their compact size and non-hazardous to their environments. Advanced front glass. 3.2mm high transmission, low ion tempered glass, alongside high-quality solar cells, allows for excellent performance in low-lit environments. Impedance matching technology eliminates mismatch losses. This ensures maximised energy harvest. In addition, customers have the option between black or silver anodized aluminium frames. These solar panels are certified to withstand harsh weather conditions, wind load of up to 2,400 Pascal, snow load up to 5,400 Pascal, and come with a 10-year product warranty, and also a 25-year performance warranty. All modules pass EL tests before and after lamination, providing high-quality assurance. We offer a friendly customer service hotline for any queries and assistance regarding your product. In the case of breakdown or damage, the warranty protects your product, as long as the terms and conditions have not been breached. The product has the following industry certifications: CE, RoHS and VDE. In terms of payment methods, we accept TT, that's to say 30% TT payment as deposit before production, followed by 70% TT remaining balance payment before shipping. We also accept LC at site. With regards to shipping, the minimum order quantity is 100 pieces per item. In LCL shipping, the solar panels are packed in wooden boxes, whereas in FCL shipping, the solar panels are packed in pallets. Guangdong Prostar New Energy Technology, set up in 1988, is one of the pioneers of the solar industry. Its highly experienced manufacturing company specialises in design and production of high-quality OEM and its own Prostar brand of mono and polycrystalline solar panels, solar power systems and solar inverters.